Hi there, I am Paul Yaterman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse, mostly. Now and then I'll live stream, sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time lapse. So for this drawing, I've deviated from what I would normally do, which is pencil, fine liner, marker. I've gone totally marker at the start of this, and you'll see some fine liner coming at the very end. I've drawn these cactuses or cacti based on a little figurine I had of some cactus. Originally I was just going to use 3 separate greens, and I've gone and used pretty much all my greens, so I think I've got 6 in the set. Originally I start off with the lighting coming from the right, and if I remember this correctly, it winds up coming from the left, but we'll see how the shading goes. The only thing I wasn't too happy with in this drawing was the arms of the cacti, which I'm just colouring in now. So the rear arms, I wanted them to be more defined from the front arm. I don't think it worked out too well. That's one of the reasons why I put in some fine liner excuse me, after completing the drawing. Here I'm adding hints of spikes, and as I'm adding the spikes I was thinking maybe some fine liner would be good. So here we come into the final stretch of the drawing. I've dated it, figured out how many days in a row I've been drawing. I'm just adding some, it's not even fine liner, it's just a roll point, or roller ball pen. Just to add some really rough outline to the drawing. Not worrying too much about, I guess, sticking within the lines, even though the lines are being drawn post. And then lots of dashes to show the spikes, and that's that. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments, or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yaterman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing.